What's going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you be changing out your back brake lights on a Honda Odyssey. From all you have to do is come to the back. First you want to lift up your tailgate pretty much, and once you do that, you'll come right here. You'll see this little piece right here. All you gotta do is just take you like a flathead screwdriver, something like that, and kind of pop this little piece out like that. And once you get that out, there'll be a screw inside of there. You'll have one up here, you'll have one down here. I've already removed this one. It'll be the same process. You come to this one right here. You just want to take about I believe this is like a 5/16, yeah, 5/16 wrench, and just go inside of here and just basically take out this screw right here. Reach in there, get that screw out. I'll get that. Once you did, all you got to do now is just come to the side here, to the back, and just pull like that, and your whole brake light assembly will come off. Then once you get back here, all you got to do is come inside of here and just basically turn like that. You'll have that bulb out, and then basically just unplug that bulb. Then if you change out your whole assembly, you would turn this one also to get this one out. And once you do, you have both your bulbs out, and you will be able to basically change out your whole assembly just like that. And of course, once you want to change out your bulbs, it's pretty simple. You just come to here. All you want to do, you want to make sure you don't touch these with your bare hands, especially your new bulb you're going to be putting in, because if you do, it can make the life of it shorter. But you just want to take it and just pretty much just pull it. All you have to do is just take it and just take it, and you just, a lot of time you just pull it out just like that. And just pull it out just like that pretty much. And you take your new bulb, just plug it right inside of her, and then once you're done with that, go ahead and take your brake light assembly and just put it right back on. Screw your bulbs back in where they came, where you took them out from. Slide it back up. You see right here, this little piece right here, right there, that slides into this hole right here. So just kind of line that up and slide that into that. And then once you slide it back up on there, then you just want to come back, put your screws back in over here, and pretty much you'll be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your back brake lights on a Honda Odyssey from about the 2005 to the 2010. Alright, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.